Business organization refers to all necessary arrangements required to conduct a business in an optimized manner. It refers to all those steps that need to be undertaken for establishing and maintaining relationship between men, material, and machinery to carry on the business efficiently for earning profits. This may be called the process of planning and organizing, which are the integral part of the business management. The arrangement which follows this process of organizing the factors required for commencing and carrying on the business is called a business undertaking or organization. Choosing a form of business entity is crucial to a successful organization. The choice of a business entity will depend on an object, nature and size of the business of such entity, which will be varied from case to case basis and will also depend upon the will of the owners of the business entity which they want to accomplish. The main types of business entities in India are sole proprietorship, partnership, Hindu undivided family business, limited liability partnership, cooperative societies, branch office and company, which may be any kind of company including one-person company, private company, public company, guarantee company, subsidiary company, statutory company, insurance company or unlimited company. Further, company formed under Section 8 of the Companies Act, 2013 or under Section 25 of the earlier Companies Act of 1956 is a non-profit business entity. There can also be association of persons and body of individuals, corporation, cooperative society, trust etc. Sole proprietorship is a form of business, wherein one person owns all the assets of the business. No legal formalities are required to create a sole proprietorship other than an appropriate licensing to conduct a business and registration of business name if it differs from that sole proprietorship. The owner reports income, loss from this business along with his personal income tax return. Partnership firms are created by drafting a partnership deed among the partners. The partnership deed is registered to make a firm. Partnership firms in India are governed by the Indian Partnership Act, 1932. Section 464 of the Companies Act, 2013 empowers the central government to prescribe maximum number of partners in a firm, but the number of partners so prescribed cannot be more than 100. The central government has prescribed maximum number of partners in a firm to be 50 vide Rule 10 of the Companies, Miscellaneous, Rules, 2014. Thus, in effect, a partnership firm cannot have more than 50 members. A Hindu family can come together and form a Hindu undivided family. Hindu undivided family is taxed separately from its members. One can save taxes by creating a family unit and pooling in assets to form a Hindu undivided family. Hindu undivided family has its own permanent account number and files tax returns independent of its members. Limited liability partnership is an alternate corporate business entity that provides the benefits of limited liability of a company but allows its members the flexibility of organizing their internal management on the basis of a mutually arrived agreement, as is the case in a partnership firm, introduced in India by way of Limited Liability Partnership Act, 2008. A cooperative organization is an association of persons, usually of limited means, who have voluntarily joined together to achieve a common economic end through the formation of a democratically controlled organization, making equitable distributions to the capital required, and accepting a fair share of risk and benefits of the undertaking. Section 8 Company is a company established for promoting commerce, art, science, sports, education, research, social welfare, religion, charity, protection of environment or any such other object, provided the profits, if any, or other income is applied for promoting only the objects of the company and no dividend is paid to its members. Section 8 Companies are registered under the Companies Act, 2013. And one-person company means a company with only one person as a member. Shareholder can make only one nominee. He shall become a shareholder in case of death, incapacity of original stakeholder. Private company is a company which has the following characteristics. 1. Shareholders' right to transfer shares is restricted. 2. Minimum number of 2 members in company. 3. Number of shareholders is limited to 200. 4. An invitation to the public to subscribe to any shares or debentures or any type of security is prohibited. Public company is a company which has the following characteristics. 1. Shareholders' right to transfer share is not restricted. 2. Minimum 7 members. 3. An invitation to the public to subscribe to any shares or debentures or any type of security is permitted.